Shoelasts are a crucial part of the shoemaking process since they affect not only the measure, the fit and comfort of shoes, but also their style and appearance. Hi, my name is Odurele Mojibola and I am your Shoemaking Made Easy tutor. Today, I want you to go along with me as we look at the best choice of shoe lasts when it comes to, beginners. Now, I believe that when you are already a professional, you will definitely have your preference when it comes to picking the right shoe last. And that's because of your experience. But as a beginner, what do I go for first? And I'm going to be answering that. The first question I want you to ask yourself, what is my budget for this particular shoe last? Are you planning, of course, a low budget shoe last or a high budget shoe last? Considering the different types of materials that our shoe lasts are made of course, we have the plastic shoe last, we have the aluminum shoe last, and we also have the wooden shoe last. The most common one here in Nigeria is, of course, the plastic and the wooden. So if you're considering a low budget shoe last, you should consider going for a wooden last. If you're actually considering a high budget shoe last, then plastic shoe last will be a perfect one. I know the next question you're asking is how accurate they are. Before we go to how accurate they are, I want to first of all ask you, what kind of customer are you intending to serve? Are they people with wide feet? Are they people with average feet? Are they people who have actually wear extra sizes? What is your target? Are you planning to produce massively? Are you planning to actually bespoke footwear for individuals? Now all those choices will determine as well the kind of shoe last you should go for. Also, are you intending to use them for boots? Are you intending them to use them for sandals? Are you intending to use them for heels? That particular one also is going to be a guidance for you to be able to know what to select. Now let me now go into which one of them is more accurate. I hear a lot of people say, plastic lasts are more accurate than wooden lasts. Let me cite an example for you. I remember that I had an experience. Of course, I have a plastic shoe last, and that particular plastic shoe last is actually for size 40. And I remember a customer ordering for a size 38 heel. And when I made the size 38 heel, one of those things I did then, because I did not understand how to take the proper measurements of my customers, then I decided that, okay, before I fully bottom in, I'm going to give her the chance to actually check it out. And as at the time she checked it out, I remember very well it was not sizing her. She wears 38, but I find out that the width of her foot is actually what? Size 40. Now I need you to know that all of this is going to accumulate together to let you know whether your shoe last is a perfect one or not. So if you have a size 40 shoe last and it is a wooden shoe last, it can be perfect. Why what you claim as your plastic, if you have a wooden last that is 38, it can be more perfect than your plastic shoe last, depending on your customer. I'm sure you want to know, how do I take measurements of my customer's feet? I want you to go ahead now. Go and follow me on my YouTube channel at Jibbyfemforte. Follow me on Facebook at Jibbyfemforte, or you check out Odurele Mojibola. Or of course, you can save my WhatsApp contact, because I also feed, of course, on my status. I give you information that you need to grow your shoemaking business. It's 080-688-90693. To take the proper measurements of your foot, please follow me. And of course, we are going to do this gradually. I wouldn't want to rush you. The few questions I've asked you, which are, what budget? What is your budget? Go and answer that. The second one, are you intending to produce massively? Because if you are producing massively, you can actually make sure that each of your sizes varies in width. Even your 40 can have different weights, so much so that different set of food can actually fit into it. And at the same time, if it is bespoke, definitely you must learn how to take the proper measurements, so that at the end of the day you won't have your customers returning your project. I tell myself, I would rather be unprofessional in the face of my customer and produce for them a perfect fit than look professional and yet produce an unfit footwear for them. Two things are likely to happen when you do produce an unfit, you don't take measurements, especially for bespoke footwear. They either return your footwear or they do not come back to actually patronize you again. Which of them do you prefer? Don't forget, I still remain your shoemaking Made Easy tutor, Odurele Mojibola. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to like this video. Please save it and listen to it over and over again. And I am going to see you next time. Bye.